Hey guys, so the intro was just a few animations I made with the final images out of this workflow. Yeah, we're only going to talk about the image generation part and IPAdapter StyleTransfer. And here's a little demo to showcase the whole process. It's like 2-3 minutes if you want to just watch it fast. But if you don't want to watch it, you can skip. And after that, I'm going to rebuild the workflow from scratch. I'm also using an SDXL Refiner workflow here. You can significantly improve your image. And the idea is to create a half-baked picture with the base, SDXL base, or any SDXL checkpoint as your base. And that would be with a lot of noise. And then you finish it with a refiner that would act as a denoiser. Okay, here's the quick demo. Okay, we can start with load default, and it's going to give you everything you need. But for SDXL, I'm going to use the text prompt input, and we're going to get rid of this and this one, And we're gonna replace these by 2 of these guys, and then we're gonna need clip encode. Clip text encode. And we're gonna convert text to input, and we need the clip, and prompt goes here. And you can minimize this or press this one. Let's open it back up because you need to connect the conditioning, and one for negative prompt. So we're gonna do the same, Control C, Control Shift V, and then connect this one. And this goes to negative, and we're gonna minimize this to keep everything organized. And this is our empty. Okay, so we're gonna select yeah, like this one, New Reality XL, and let's say robot in Warzone. Far isolated planet. Explosions and embers in the background. And I'm just going to copy paste my negative prompt. You can add whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, it's not going to change. Like, if you have a bad positive prompt, this is not going to fix it anyway. So you want to just focus on this and just add some like generic ones here just to have something. Okay, just color this green just to be organized. 7. Can do this and Keras. Let's do fixed. Whatever. You can do this, or you can load VAE, and then for this one you have to pick the SDXL, so you can do this too. Maybe we can just do this, or this doesn't matter. And yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, so this is just a random image based on your prompt, but we're gonna use IPAdapter to have more control over the type of image, or or the style of the image we're looking for. So as you see, this is a new workflow for IPAdapter. IPAdapter has been upgraded, and like there's so many new nodes and new functions. This is how you do it right now. You have to have a IPAdapter unified loader, and then just the advanced or the normal IPAdapter apply. And this is how you connect them. You connect the model to model and IPAdapter to IPAdapter, and then an image input, and then the model goes to your case sampler. Okay, so this is much closer to our provided image, our reference image, but we can increase the strength a little bit just to influence our image more. Yeah, for some reason the checkpoint was changed back to the base or something. Anyway, I'm using the new reality checkpoint XL, and now I'm going to work on a refiner. I'm going to duplicate my case sampler, and we're going to need two more clip text encodes for that. And yeah, we're gonna connect the latent that's coming out of the our base image to a case sampler that we're gonna be using for a refiner. Okay, I'm gonna use DPM++ 2M for this, and denoise at 0.65. Yeah, we're not gonna need like too many steps. 15 should be enough. Yeah, we need the refiner checkpoint, and connects to clip text encode, and they connect to the case sampler. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, looks great. As you see, is improved. Okay, so at this point, we're ready to start the second part of this video, and the most important part, which is taking our generated photo and use the StyleTransfer to create different photos with the same style as the first one. Okay, let's make a upscale image by, and just in case I'm gonna put it here if I wanted to downscale for now. And after this, I'm gonna connect it to a WD14 tagger, which is we're gonna extract the text prompt from the first image, so it would be kind of automatically done. And then we're gonna connect it to another text encode just to be able to add more complementary text prompt. And to combine all these, different text prompt and strings, I'm going to use this string function node by Python GOSSS, and this allows me to connect a W14 tagger and add my own kind of complementary text prompt after that too. Okay, so we just need to bring the case sampler, and this part is a little repetitive, pretty much the same as before. The only difference is that we're going to be using the new function in IPAdapter. So I'm going to put this together very quick, and then we'll talk about that. So I'm gonna run this once so I can see the generated tags. This is gonna be connected to the function string as the primary text, or text A, and then I'll fill in the text B section, like whatever I wanna add in addition. And as you see, these are all good, but still missing the original prompt, which I would like to bring back. We're gonna do that in a second. Right now, let's get the IPAdapter going. Pretty much the same setup. We're gonna change the weight type to SDXL StyleTransfer, and as you can guess, it's not gonna work on SD 1.5. Okay, so let's get it going. Okay, let's take care of our prompt. So as you see, this is our main primary prompt right now, but we're gonna copy this and paste in text B. So this is gonna play out as our additional text, but the primary is gonna come out of the string that was extracted by WD14. Okay, I apologize, I made a mistake here. I should have connected the model to the Unify loader, and Unify loader connects to IPAdapter. Okay, there you go. It's pretty good. As you see, it's the same style, color, everything, contrast, light. Looks the same. Let's just try different settings and see what we can come up with. And also gonna change the checkpoint. I usually go back and forth between CXL base, Juggernaut, and New Reality. Usually these are a few that I always like want to compare and see the differences. Okay, now because I want to have more control over the composition, I'm going to use a control net. I'll use depth, but you can also try with line art or DW pose. Then you can bring a photo of a character that you would like to use. I'll show you. But before that, let me try it with DW pose and show you how they can be used. But I'm using depth for the final. Depends on your concept. You might want to try them all and see which one works the best for your workflow. I'm using Apply Control Net Advanced. If you don't have this one, you need to upgrade your ComfyUI and the nodes. But it's not really necessary for this. But if you want to use Animate Diff version 3, you're gonna have to have this one now. Yeah, as you see, it can interpret the pose pretty well, but to also make sure Comfy understands what the character is doing, you might want to add your text prompt and explain like what's happening. In this case, a robot holding, you know what. Okay, this is working pretty well. Just playing with the strain, just to see if I can fix the problem I have with hands and the way they're holding. But pretty much it is what I was expecting. Okay, so I think um, I'm gonna switch to using depth because I think it's just a better choice for this. It allows for more freedom for the model while still constraining it within the boundaries I set. Considering the fact that this is just a close-up shot of hands, so for like different scenario, you might use different preprocessor or even just a combination of a few. Okay, there you go. I think you got the idea. I'm just playing with different settings at this point. For the animation, I used stable video diffusion, and for two shots, I used animate diff with sparse RGB in image to video workflow. We can go over that one too. I'm gonna have to make another video for that one. It's already too long. We don't have time right now, but hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Peace.